one thing that I love to eat. It's my special little Japanese treat. It's so delicious and healthy too. I just can't wait to eat it with you. I love sushi, yes I do. Tempura, edamame, sashimi too. I love sushi, yes I do. I wanna get fish faced with you. We're gonna try this thing called all you can eat, but that's not a challenge that you have to beat. So take your time and let the food digest. Don't over-order as the menu suggests. I love sushi, yes I do. Miso soup, gyoza, and tofu too.